In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share appointment pages in Google Calendar. This feature is incredibly useful for setting up dedicated times for meetings or consultations, and then sharing those slots easily with others, whether they're clients, colleagues, or friends. Let's dive in and make your scheduling easier and more seamless. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. Simply open your web browser, type in Google Calendar, and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you've done that, you'll see your calendar view with all your events and reminders. Next, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options for different types of events. What we're interested in today is the appointment schedule. Select this to start setting up your dedicated appointment slots. Now that you're on the appointment scheduling page, you'll need to enter some details to make sure everything is clearly defined for those who will be booking with you. Start by giving your appointment schedule a title. Something descriptive and straightforward helps, like consultations with John or weekly check-ins. You will also want to set the duration for each appointment. Decide on how long each meeting should be, whether it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or longer, then specify the dates and times when you're available for these appointments. This helps in ensuring there are no mix-ups or overlaps with your other commitments. Once you've filled in the basic details, go ahead and click on Next. Here you have the option to personalize your appointment page further. Perhaps you'd like to add a profile photo or set a specific meeting location. Also, if you'd like, include a description that might explain what the meeting covers or any preparations others should consider before booking. After making these optional adjustments, click on Save. This action finalizes your appointment schedule and adds it to your calendar for easy access. You'll see it displayed in your regular calendar grid. To share your new booking page, simply click on the appointment schedule that you've just created within the calendar grid. This will open a summary view where you'll find a Share button. Clicking on this will give you the option to copy a shareable link. Finally, once you've copied that link, you can paste it wherever you want to make your appointment schedule accessible, be it in an email, on your website, or in a direct message to someone. This link allows others to view your available time slots and book an appointment directly, making the whole process smooth and efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and share appointment pages using Google Calendar. I hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling process. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.